Hey friends, how are you? Thanks for tuning in today. Today's topic is very interesting because we're going to explore your optimal style of meditation. As you know, we all have very different ways of doing the same thing. And so meditation as well is there's so many different styles and types, as you may know. And we're actually going to do a quick little experiment today to see what meditation style would fit you the most, at least for the first few days or weeks or months to come. Things may change down the line, but from the get-go, explore and see what works the best for you. What is your optimal way of meditating that gives you the best experience? And today we're gonna explore 4 different styles, and I'm gonna lead you through 4 different styles of meditation for just 1 minute of duration so that you can get a little taste of what it feels like in each of these styles. And before we dive in, just 2 quick things I want to share with you is for every new habit or experience that you're going to pick up, that you want to be a recurring experience, it takes 21 days to build a new habit. So 21 days is really what it takes to form a new habit. And if you were to be able to meditate for 40 days, it will truly, truly transform you. If you don't think you can do this on a daily basis, try doing it a few times a week for 9 weeks and see if that works for you. That's about roughly how long it would take to build a new habit, to get into the groove of things and get in underneath you so that you're more comfortable when you're doing it. So that's just some facts that I'm sharing with you. And then with that, I want you to make a decision to meditate for a period of time, whether it's 5 minutes or 10 minutes. If you don't have 15 or 20 minutes, just 5 minutes, it's good enough. So maybe you can start with 5 minutes. So, but make a decision. I want you to make a decision now. So write it down. If you have a number in mind, whatever will work for you the best, go ahead and grab something and write down your decision. Are you going to try 5 minutes? Are you going to try 10 minutes? Or are you going to change it up from 5 to 10? And for how long? Would it be 21 days or would it be 9 weeks? Yeah. So whatever you write down, this will be forming a basis for you to develop this new habit. And meditation, as you know, is tremendously important. Whether you're looking to up-level your well-being or up-level your health, it provides a lot of opportunity for you to heal while you meditate. And if you're looking to up-level your life and to live the best version of yourself, meditation also forms the basis of all the inner work you're going to be embarking on to up-level your mind, your thoughts, your actions, and your behaviors. So whatever you want to use meditation for, it will be tremendously life transforming for you. I'm sure you've talked to people or heard about how life transforming meditation is. You get to unveil the part of you that you may not have understood before, or you actually, taking the lid off something that would be very transforming and enlightening to you. So with that, let's explore the 4 different styles of meditation I'm leading you through today. So minute number 1 would be a guided meditation I'm going to be putting on for you. So in this 1 minute, sit with your eyes closed, focused on your breathing, and see how this work out for you. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get into a comfortable position and have your eyes closed. Once you are in a comfortable position, bring one hand, palms facing down to your chest, and the other palm facing down onto your belly. As you breathe, try to inhale through your nose, first filling up your belly, then abs, and then finally your chest,
Then exhale through your nose, releasing the air from your chest, abs, and then your belly. In that order, repeat. Inhale, filling up your belly, then abs, then chest, and then exhale, releasing air from your chest, abs, and then belly. One more time. Inhale, filling up your belly, then abdomen, then chest. Exhaling, releasing air from your chest, abs, and then belly again. Notice you're making a circle up and down your body like a wave through breathing in and out. Again, inhale, filling up your belly, then abdomen, then chest. And this time at the bottom of the exhale, switch to exhaling through your mouth, releasing air from your chest, abs, and then belly. As you let go of the last of your breath, imagine anything stressful leaving your body.
How did that go? Congrats for finishing up the first minute. And I want you to write down the score that you're going to give for this meditation. From on a scale of 0 to 10, try to gauge a number, whether it's 10 being the most comfortable, the most easy and best style of meditation for your mind to settle. Go ahead and rank that, okay? So minute number 2, we're going to focus on a meditation style that has just background music and nothing else, no guided voice. So let's go ahead and begin. Congrats for finishing up this 1-minute video or style of meditation with music alone. Again, go ahead and rank how comfortable it is for you on a scale from 0 to 10. Yeah. And then minute number 3, we're gonna work on doing something that would be focusing on your breathing. So it's an inhale, exhale type of visualization. So let's go ahead and start this one here. All right, so we've just finished inhaling and exhaling type visualization of a meditation. And the last minute, I want to experiment with you just a straight up silent meditation with no guided voice or music and see how that one works for you. Just sit here for a minute, yeah? Let's begin. All right, you are done. Well done. How did that go for you? What is your score for a straight up silent meditation? I think this is a tremendous experiment for you to know which one you like and which one may be the most comfortable for you to start with. But knowing that it does change up day to day, so you can also try using these different styles on different days and see how that works out for you. I'm a straight up music alone person, so this meditation style has been working for me for pretty much 10 years when I'm meditating by myself. When I go to meditation teacher training and retreats, most likely I find myself doing silent meditation, and that also works for me, and especially in a group setting. But I prefer music alone type meditation. So whatever it is for you, I would like you to try that and pursue it for a period of time, whether it's 21 days or of course, if you can do 40 days, that would be so wonderful. Or you can choose 9 weeks if you don't do it consistently on a daily basis, and try that out and see how that works for you. And I hope that this will form a good foundation for you to understand what will work best for you. And with that, I want to thank you for watching this video and hope you get something out of it. And I hope to see you in the next one. Sending you love and light.